everyone, and welcome back to another video here on Urbex. Today, Parker is joining me from Slackin' Packin', and we are here at the abandoned Jefferson Crossing Outlet Mall, right down the street from the new one that they built, the Tanger Outlets of Jeffersonville, and they've turned this into an RV outlet center, Buckeye RV. This is weird. Well, all you have to do is follow me if you want to check out this abandoned outlet mall on today's episode of Urbex. All right, everyone, so I'm here at the Jeffersonville Crossing Outlet, the abandoned outlet center that's right by the Tanger Outlet Center, and I came across, what in the hell is this back here? It's in this giant open field. Is this like, I don't even know. What the crap? This is weird. It's like an exploded van. This is super abandoned. Holy crap, it doesn't even have an engine or a steering wheel or anything. This thing is bonked. Super bonked. Damn. Yeah, it's like... What the hell? I don't even want to see what's in the cooler. That might be kind of scary. Are you doing... Well, everyone, Parker's joining me. There's the back of him. From Slackin' Packin'. This is the former Jeffersonville 2 Outlet Center, also known as the Home Goods Center, now rebranded as Jeffersonville Crossing. This was the original outlet mall and sits only a couple miles north of the more popular Tanger Outlet Center of Jeffersonville. In doing some research, I found very little information on this place, but basically being the original outlet center, it failed because of competition from the newer outlet center a short drive south on 71, and you know, they've kind of tried to rebrand this as more of a super duper bargain center, going beyond the outlet bargains and going as far as calling it a large flea market. They do have a flea market in here that I believe is open on the weekends still, and a gaming center and a couple of other things, but mostly it's just an RV center and a bunch of abandoned stores. At one time, this outlet center did have stores such as Liz Claiborne and Reebok outlets, but who knows what's going to become of this place in the near future. All right, there's Parker from Slackin' Packin'. He was the very first one to film this place. No one else has filmed it. And I'm going to be the second person to film this place. So there. How do you like that, everybody else from the Dead Malls community? Bye! Lucky you. Well, I don't think this place is very lucky. Not at all. Wow, look inside here. Look at all of the filing boxes. I wonder if those are like important documents inside there. I don't know. Holy crap. Looks like one says 1998 on it. Huh. All right, everyone. I'm going to try and get a picture of or some video shots of this. It's probably going to be full of glare, but look at that Dell Toshiba. Look at the E-machines. Holy crap. I haven't seen that since the 90s. Leave a comment down in the description box below. What do you think this is? Is this a Joann's shopping cart? Like Joann's craft store? I can't really tell, but it looks like it. Wow, that is like Trashopolis in there, everyone. Look at all the retro stuff. Well, some of it's retro. Like the amplifiers and different things. All right, here we have, this used to be the directory that would tell you what stores were here, but you can't even tell from this what the stores were. They did a really good job of blanking out all the stores. There goes Parker again. Well, now he's hidden. Come back. You gotta be on my video. Oh yeah, this does say one store. Pleasure Styles? Ew, that sounds disgusting. Pleasure Styles? Really? Out of all the names you could have chose for a store, and you choose Pleasure Styles. What a fail. No wonder why this place went out of business. Here we have the first, this is the first sign of life in this place. Jeffersonville Crossing Indoor Marketplace. Open not every weekend. because it's currently closed permanently for forever. This reminds me kind of a little bit like Trader's World. Look at that. That's a pretty cool sign in there. Welcome to the Jeffersonville Crossing Bargain Outlet of Ohio. I would love to have seen that. Okay, I just found... What the hell? I found this dead bird here. I almost stepped on it. Well, you can't see it in the video real well, but it says Jay's Corner Cafe. And there's a look at the inside. Wow.
Deplorable.
Yeah, this place is absolutely deplorable. Like, wow. Look at these benches. The benches are even molding. Well, I think that's more algae than it is mold. Because we get this crap on the sides of houses because I don't know why, they side houses in Ohio and then they mold, and why would you just not brick? Because brick doesn't do that. This one has lots of stuff left behind. I mean, a lot of stuff. I try and get over to the other side of it where you can see it better. And yes, you can complain and say, oh, he's just Urbex window shopping. And yes, because I can't get into any of these places because they are locked up tight. If I see a door that's left open, then I'll go inside. But so far I haven't. This says Williams Farm Market on the inside here. Look at that. I don't know what this was, maybe like an Amish store? I don't know.
Probably was.
All right, look at this one. This one has a pretty cool floor in it. Look at that. It's so 90s with that kind of reddish tile down there. Made by Murdoch MFG and Supply Company, Cincinnati. And here we have Bluegrass Farms of Ohio. No clue what that's supposed to be for, but it's clearly falling down. Weird. I don't know why you'd have a store for farms. Almost like they're selling farms, not like they're selling farm supplies, but I don't know, maybe they were. All right, here we have, there is 71 over there. And then we have more of there's all the RVs. I just think this is a really weird location for an RV place. I mean, I guess they need a lot of space, but like, I don't know. Well, we have this weird, this is kind of like a courtyard. Huh. This is kind of interesting that this place has been closed for, I don't know, for forever. I don't remember this ever being open. But then I've only lived here in Ohio, in the Cincinnati area, for like 5 years or so, but this still looks pretty maintained for being abandoned. Well, mostly abandoned. And then you've got a random red picnic table just randomly here for no reason. Like, what? I don't know. So that is part of the RV offices. And then some furniture that's being stored. It looks like we have some life over here. Oh, look at this. This is restrooms, customer service, but we have Moore's Ceramics. I think this is the only store left. Wow, I didn't know there was a store in here. Okay, we found some weird stuff over in the corner. What is this? Wait, what in the hell? That's like for rabbits or something? Nope, there's nothing inside. This tour now brings us along to the lovely Boomtown Skills 2. I have no clue what that is, nor do I probably want to know what that is. But it looks interesting. Of course, it's covered up to where you can't see anything. Well, it says, must be 21 to enter. I definitely now probably don't want to know what that was. Or is. Wow, this is like a Western store, like a... That's pretty cool. Look at that. All right, whoa, we just found a go-kart. I'm trying to get rid of the glare. There we go. You can see Parker in the shot a little bit, but his legs. There's a go-kart inside here. That's cool. We have another go-kart here, and it says human trafficking hotline. What? This go-kart is like, it's one of those like expanded ones, so you can kind of see what all the insides look like. Kind of a deal, I think. I don't know. Midwest Fire Stop. So why are there so many dead birds here? Is this place like haunted? I mean, like, what in the hell? All right, so now we have Unique 777 Treasures, which I think is a casino, and I'm probably gonna get fired out of a cannon into the sun for filming the casino. What the? There's a cat! OMG, look at the little kitty. Oop, there it goes.
Hey, kitty.
Huh. That's kind of interesting.
That was a house.